Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Cat S32 and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. To do it, you need to have home or media, so the best household feature to clean your USB charging port is your old toothbrush, which you no longer use. So, as you can see, I will try to focus on this place. As you can see, there is something in my charging port that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. To do it, you just need to have the simple toothbrush. It's the best tool to clean the connector, trust me. And insert one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. I don't know how, but I have cleaned my USB charging port, but I don't see where it's dirt. Maybe it was just falling out. Yes, my USB charging port is completely clean. Okay, great. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.